we were turned down not once, not twice, not 3 times, but 4 times.
Listen, when we first started, we had this dream list of retailers we want to go in. Costco was really a big one.
The problem is we didn't have any connections with anyone at Costco. Right? We would call their corporate headquarters. We figured out who the category buyer was for our department after Googling. I have a background in retail. So I just said, I'm going to call. I went into my little spiel, you know, who we were, what we had, and we loved to be on the shelves of Costco. So after I stopped talking, he said, well, yeah, we're not going to be interested at this time. We're going to pass. It totally caught me off guard because I thought they were going to understand that we were just these amazing people. We had this amazing product, and Costco was going to say, yes, come on down. But that's not what happened. So we waited like a month. We called back again. Same thing happened. He said no again. He let me go through my whole spiel and told us no again. We did that 2 more times, total of 4 times. So when I called back on that 4th time, what happened was I asked him, what can we do to make you say yes?
Yes.
He said, okay, so you need to have $100,000 in annual sales. Then he said you need to have liability insurance, at least $2 million in insurance, liability insurance. The third one that he wanted us to be in 2 retailers already. And manufacturer. Could not be making the product at home yourself. So we said to him, if we have all 4 of these things when we call back, are you going to give us a shot? And he laughed and he said, we'll see when you call back. So we went back and we told him, yes, we have all of our stuff done. We had everything documented. So I said to the buyer, you know, listen, we have all the stuff you asked for. Are you going to give us a shot? And what did he say?
Yeah, he sure said, okay, we're going to do it.
He said, we're going to do it. We're going to give you a shot. And so that's what happened. We did a few shows. Our products sold well, and we were on the shelf of Costco
That's
stores.
Right. Yay.
Yes, and so that's how we ended up getting in Costco, and we haven't looked back since. And so that is why, you know, we do these lives and we give this information because we want you guys to know that, yes, these are attainable goals. It's reachable, it's doable, and you can do the same exact thing.